Hi everyone. Okay, I want to show you a new little project that I'm working on currently. I'll be putting up some videos showing my progress through this little journal. This is just I didn't show this in the video, so that's why I'm explaining, but this is just a little piece of file folder that I folded in half and then just tucked in a few random pieces of junky papers. And I stitched it in with just two little holes in the spine here, and then just put in a piece of baker's twine and tied it in a knot. It's just simple, easy. Covered it in some duct tape. This is 2 pieces of duct tape here, 2 pieces here, and then a corresponding color that I put around the spine of the book. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do inside it. I have done the first step, just throwing some paint on all the pages. And additionally, I'll be probably stenciling and stamping and putting some collage pieces in and some other random bits and pieces and fun stuff. And I'll just share that with you as I go along. I don't know how often these will go up, but as I do them, I certainly will share with you. But you're going to see in the video that's coming up, the video segment that's coming up, I'll show you how I painted all these papers here. Well, most of them anyway. The inside covers is just a piece of gift wrap. There's one on the front and there's one on the back. These are book pages, dictionary pages. There's a security envelope piece in here, a piece of deli paper, a random notepad sheet. So just go ahead and take a look at how I painted a lot of these pages, and then I'll come back and show you the ones at the end that I didn't film. Okay, so these are the last ones that were filmed, and because it was so repetitive, I just stopped filming because there was so much of it. You know, there's so many of these little pages in here. But continuing on, I put a little more paint, you know, like I said, on all these pages. They're basically all the same, pretty much. I mean, I just kind of tried a few different techniques, scraping with a card, putting paint on with the palette knife, using my fingers, and so on. So, oh, and I did want to add that before I sewed these pages in, I did put a piece of washi tape. I used glue stick and washi tape to reinforce the pages so that they hopefully won't tear and fall out of the book. So I'm just going to flip through these real quick and show you what I did on them. And like I said, I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen on these pages, but I sure had fun doing this. Throwing all this paint in here was a lot of fun. This is the other piece, the other side of the deli paper that's in here, and I painted the back of it so that, because you can see through, when it's deli paper, you can see through. So I went ahead and coated this in white so that whatever I decide to do on here, all the other colors won't necessarily be showing through. So that's what that's about. This is a dictionary page, which I tore in the process of painting it, but it's a messy journal, and I can easily cover that with washi tape, collage, whatever, and it will be repaired in the process of creating in the book. So don't worry about it if you're going to do one of these. Don't worry about it if you tear, rip, or paint transfers from, see, you can see how this red went right over here onto this other page, and that happened all through the book. It makes a real fun, artsy, I didn't think this through kind of book. So if you'd like to follow along and create one of these with me, go ahead and grab some of your random junky papers. You can see that all of these are, they're torn, they're uneven, they're just little junky pages. This is that little sheet of note paper that I mentioned. So here you can see the washi tape in the spine area there a little bit better in the crease. But just reinforce your pages, and then grab a piece of cardstock or a file folder or something, and just put it together. It's just two holes and one little stitch in there, and I brought it out to the back side and tied it there. So this is not for any particular challenge or event of any kind. This is just me having some fun, just painting and creating without a lot of thought and a lot of angst, because this should be about fun. Take care, everybody, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.